forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, take a look outside the home view tonight. Things look pretty good for the most part, but we do have a few stray showers still ongoing. Most of us have come and gone with that trend already. From Lexington to Nicholasville earlier this afternoon, we had a nice little thunderstorm that popped up and dropped over 1.5 inches of rain for many spots. This is radar indicated rainfall totals. Nonetheless, it did prompt a brief and short flash flood warning at that time through the afternoon. That is over with now. We've just got a few isolated showers between Cynthiana and Paris, and then a couple more down southeastern Kentucky. You can see some near Pikeville and Hindman, and then of course in Pulaski County we've got a couple that have popped up for us tonight as well. As far as things go for us into the next couple of days, our upper level is dispersing a little bit. We've got a few waves to the north and west. We're going to see less of a chance the next couple of days into the weekend to see rain showers, but still can't rule out maybe a spotty shower or storm for tomorrow. Watch Futurecast get into tomorrow morning and bring some high clouds from the ongoing stuff in the Central Plains. No rainfall with that, but into the afternoon, Futurecast does suggest 1 or 2 isolated chances, especially to the south. And I think that's where most of our activity will have the best chance to develop. Most of us across the bluegrass and in eastern Kentucky, partly cloudy to mostly sunny by the afternoon. That should allow temperatures to skyrocket for us too, and we expect things to completely clear out for us again into our Saturday. Now, high temperatures had a hard time for us again across 64 because we had a little cloud cover and rain chance. Areas that didn't see any of that through the afternoon, 91 Richmond at 93 in Somerset. The weekend, we're going to see a lot more of those 90s try to poke through. Tomorrow, we could see at our earliest a 90 in the afternoon. Maybe even need to bump Saturday, Sunday up to 91. We'll have to see how tomorrow plays out before we get there. Should still feel like the mid-90s thanks to that humidity being so high. We're talking those dew points in the mid to upper 60s. So once again, 90 is going to feel a few degrees warmer. As we go through here with our 7-day forecast, you're going to notice that things do get a little stormier early next week. Low 90s for us into Monday, an isolated storm chance, but that's what we're going to be tracking next is the chance for a cold front sometime between Tuesday and Wednesday to bring in some scattered storms, maybe a bit more widespread, possibly an isolated strong to severe storm that does knock the temperatures down a few degrees for a brief time. As we go into Thursday and later parts of next week, I think more of those 90s do return.